Good evening, everyone. In this video, we'll see how to set up your Google AdWords account. So first we go to adwords.google.com. In case you have an AdWords Google account or a Gmail account, you can use that to sign up. In this case, let's start fresh. So you click on start now and then Google will ask you to create an account. You can just say that I do not use any of these services, and here you can enter your official email. So let me just use bizdev@dropmysite.com, and then you enter the password which you need and then verify the captcha text. These are generally pretty difficult in most cases. I hope I get it this time. Alright, so I guess that's right. Now Google would basically ask you for the time zone and the currency in which you want to see. Let's set it to Singapore. So the time zone automatically sets itself and in Singapore dollars. Now you press on continue. You can select whichever time zone you're in, if you're in US or Europe, any one which you want. So now we would get an email and we need to just verify it. I'll just go ahead and quickly do that. Alright, so now I'm verifying my email. Okay, so my email has been verified. So you can add a mobile number to recover your account, etc. That's added security features by Google if you want to make your account more secure. Let's just continue with this. I guess it's as simple as that. Now it'll let ask you to create your first campaign. As we've seen in the previous tutorials, we've seen how you can create a campaign, we've seen how you can set your budget, how you can create a search campaign as well as a display campaign. So there are a few other things which we need to look out. One is setting up the billing and setting up conversion tracking. So conversion tracking is again covered in a separate video. You just need to set up your billing, which is important in this case. While you set up your account, you need to provide a credit card detail. So you need to provide your country. I'll choose Singapore this time. And how do you want to pay? Do you want to pay by bank transfer or a credit card? The easiest way to pay is by credit card. Post pay billing is basically where, as you use, Google would charge you in blocks and chunks based on your account usage. And prepay is where you would basically pay an amount in advance and Google would then start billing you. You can choose either ways. So this is pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to agree to the terms and conditions and then provide them with the card details. So yeah, it will basically ask you for the card type and then the details of the billing address, and you can go ahead and select the options and activate. This is for you to do it. So here under billing, you would see your billing summary where you would see your monthly invoices being generated as you go ahead and use your account. Uh, Account access. This is one part which you might want to look at. What you can do is basically invite other users to come and access this account. So you can say I want to invite Akash at Drop My Site and give him a name. Now you can choose the access level. The access level defines the level of control the user has. In this case, an administrative access would have access to everything from creating new campaigns to changing budgets to changing the billings, adding new users to your account, etc. Standard access is where the user can only create campaigns and ads but not change much of the administrative relative part of your account. Read only is where the user would just be able to go through your accounts and get data out of it, but he won't be able to create a new campaign or an ad. And email only access. So you can look at the different access from here. This will basically give you the different details and you can see more in details. And once you do so, you send an invitation. Sorry, I didn't choose the access level. Let's say standard to Akash. Yeah, and okay, this is a bug which I guess we've just encountered. But this is as simple as that. The user would get an email and then he has to sign up with a Google account and he would be added to the account list. Linked accounts, if you have multiple AdWords account and you want to link them into one, let's say you're an ad agency where you're maintaining accounts for different clients, you can link them together under one main account and have a view of them. Or if you're doing it for different products under different accounts and you want to look at them in a single location. Then notification settings is how you want to get your emails and stuff. What kind of emails do you want to get for billing or even for campaigns, etc. So here you can control the amount of emails you get from Google to your account. So that's about it. That's the main aspect which you would be looking at while setting up a Google account. First, create a Google account, then provide your billing details so that Google can actually go ahead and charge you for all the ads which you're running. And if you want to give access to the account to other people, you can go to account access. Or if you want to link accounts, there's linked account settings. That's about it. You can then go to campaigns, look at other videos on how to run an image ad, how to run a search ad, and you can now start creating your campaigns. That's it for this tutorial.